Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of Euro USD, and yesterday we saw a good recovery on the chart of Euro Dollar. Right now, Euro USD is standing at 0.9861. Yes, we had a resistance around 0.9800, this level, and Euro USD broke it gracefully yesterday. Okay, so let's try to understand the trading opportunities for the day. Just like the video of gold, I will not be stretching this video because not much things to discuss here. First of all, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY. Couple of minutes ago, while I was recording the video of gold, okay, it was trying to take support around the Fibonacci 50% retracement here. But right now we can see that the selling pressure is still very much there on the chart of DXY. So therefore, I think that market will be testing 111.50 very soon. Overall, if we look at the chart of DXY, then still it is an uptrend, but right now there is a good amount of correction going on. See, correction and trend reversal is a complete different thing. In case of trend reversal, we will see DXY coming down to 105, 104 level. Okay, but in case of correction, we will see market after going down a little bit, we usually see market going up again. So for a trend reversal, we need an inverted V pattern, which we don't have yet. Right now, we can see that DXY formed these two candles when market witnessed heavy selling when this market formed, and at the same time gold, Euro USD formed massive green candles. Okay. We had a support around 112.40 on the chart of DXY. Okay, and to be honest, for some time it was trying to take support also. When I took a sell position on the chart of Euro Dollar, I took two trades. The first trade, which was a scalping, it did well. The second trade is in loss right now. Okay, I'm still holding the bad trade. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to recover the money. Okay, anyways, the selling pressure is still very much there in the market, but I think that around this level DXY will take support and we could see a bounce from here, because the market is respecting 200 moving average, and we also have the 61.8% retracement level. So if we combine both the factors here, then yes, there is a chance that DXY will take support and we could see again selling pressure on the chart of Euro Dollar. Okay, so wait and watch. Right now we can see DXY breaking 50% retracement level. Okay, so things are not very positive for DXY. So if you are a day trader, you should be looking for sell position only. But if you're a swing trader, positional trader, you should wait for DXY to come down to support. Then you will get a clear picture. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro Dollar. So if you're also holding a sell position like me and you are in loss right now, okay, then I think that we will be able to recover the money once DXY bounces from the support. If it breaks it, then I'll be updating you tomorrow, because I'll be booking my loss. Okay, because no trader is 100% accurate in the market. As a result, risk management is considered as the most important thing for survival of any trader. Okay, and I'll request every one of you to follow proper risk management, because see, my analysis can be wrong as well. Okay, no trader is 100% accurate. So this is the chart of Euro USD here. As we can see, the market is almost standing, okay, standing at the 200 moving average here. Listen to me carefully, 200 moving average here, and it is also the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level. So Fibo plus 200 moving average. So market is standing at a good resistance right now, but there is good amount of selling going on the chart of DXY. If the selling pressure continues, okay, if the selling pressure on DXY continues, then obviously Euro USD will break this level and will go up further. After all, we must understand one thing very well, that no level is permanent in the market. Okay, so if DXY reverses from the 200 moving average around 111.50, 111.40, then we can expect the Euro USD to reverse. So in this market condition, I will suggest everyone, okay, I'll suggest everyone to look at the chart of DXY only. Okay, if you're holding any position on euro dollar, okay, you can be on the trade, no need to do anything. Okay, but if you're looking for fresh position in the market, okay, if you're looking fresh position in the market, then I think that you should consider a fresh position by looking at the chart of DXY only, because if DXY breaks this particular level here, if DXY breaks this particular 200 moving average and starts falling, okay, then we will see a good amount of recovery on the chart of euro dollar, and then you can go for a buy position. But right now, when we can see that my euro USD, while I'm shooting this video, DXY is standing at 50% retracement, euro USD is standing at 61.8% retracement, so things are a little bit not in places. Okay, so I think it's better to wait for some time. By European session and US session, we will get a clear picture. If it takes support at 50% retracement, obviously we will see a good bounce. If it comes below, comes down, then obviously we will observe the market around this level. Okay, so DXY will play a big role. I think it's better to observe accordingly. This is my analysis. See, I can be wrong as well. If I have missed any point, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, so hope to learn and earn. Bye bye, take care. Please follow proper risk management, and in case you are standing against the trend of the market for a long time, because recently I have received 3 screenshots where people are holding sell levels for last 1 month, buy position. Okay, they are holding buy position for a last 1 month, 2 months. So if you're doing something like that, then please respect your capital. Try to exit from all the buy positions. Okay, so bye bye, take care.